In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new chart in TradingView. If you're interested in analyzing market trends and making informed trading decisions, mastering the ability to create and customize charts is an essential skill. So, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the TradingView website. Go ahead and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, find the chart section. This is your main hub for viewing and analyzing all your trading data. Now, once you're inside the chart section, your focus should be on the area at the top where you see the current chart symbol displayed. To the right of the symbol name, you'll notice a small arrow. This arrow is more than just a pointer, it's your gateway to customizing your chart layouts. Click on this arrow to bring up an options menu. With the options menu open, you'll see a variety of choices to customize your experience. Some are related to the current layout, while others focus on creating new options. Now, direct your attention to the option labeled Create New Layout. Clicking on this option will allow you to start with a fresh chart. It's like having a new canvas to visualize your data and strategies. However, it's important to note that if you're using the free version of TradingView, you'll encounter a prompt asking you to upgrade to a paid plan to use multiple layouts. This is because the ability to create new layouts is a feature reserved for premium users. If you're serious about trading and find yourself needing multiple chart layouts for different analyses, you might want to consider upgrading to unlock this feature. But if you're testing the waters and feel that one chart layout is sufficient for your needs, sticking with the free version could be a wise and cost-effective choice. Meanwhile, this video can still expand your understanding of TradingView's capabilities, letting you maximize the use of the tools available to you. Creating a new chart layout is a straightforward process, but it can significantly enhance the way you interact with your trading data. Once you have the ability to create multiple layouts, you can compare different assets side by side or add additional indicators to match your trading strategy. Remember, the power of TradingView lies in its versatility and user-friendly design. Whether you're a day trader, a long-term investor, or just starting your trading journey, learning to create and customize your charts will empower you to make more informed decisions. And there you have it. That's how you create a new chart in TradingView. I hope this walkthrough makes the process clear and sets you up for success in your trading endeavors. Feel free to experiment with different layouts and find what works best for you. Thank you for watching and happy trading.